we're getting ready to tube the auklet and give him his antibiotic, which can go in a fish. So it's easy to stick it in the fish and then pop it down his throat, hopefully. That's the plan anyway. Oop, and not have the fish do that. Okay, let's get the auklet out and see if we can't get him to eat it. He's been without food for quite some time, so he should be pretty hungry. So he's also dehydrated, so we're going to give him some fluids today as well. So hopefully, we're just gonna offer this guy to him. Okay, and down it goes. Okay, so now I'm gonna flush that down with some fluid. I'm just gonna give him about 10 cc's. There you go. They have quite a big space in their stomachs to hold lots of fish, so no worries there. And then we're going to treat this eye that was damaged with the medications that he needs. So this is the medication, and this one is the lubrication. Kind of helps keep the eye lubricated. And with lots of care, we hope he makes a full recovery. And we're just gonna go ahead and put him back in his enclosure. And we'll be giving him a full plate of fish that he can eat on his own in just a little bit.